All right, here we are. Next step, we have Corvan. So Corvair made two different vans. They made the Corvan, which was a panel, and the Greenbrier, which is a window van. It's really the only difference. They don't even really have different trim or anything, so there's no like cool chrome bezels I can get for this thing. Other than I think they make a chrome windshield surround, but not really worried about that. Anyways, got this thing. We drove down to Kentucky. Dad and I picked it up, turned and burned back home. It is solid. And I was super excited to get it home because I've had all these ideas in my head of all these, wheel placements and rear end and all that stuff. But without the vehicle, you can't really do any measurements or figure anything out. So now that we have it, I've been able to get into it a little bit, open it up, take the engine compartment off or the engine cover off, look at it. I think that big block's going to fit right in there. I'm trying to figure out wheel and tire placement. The nice thing is because we're using the 9-inch and it's going to be solid mounted, it can be anything. Ride height is whatever I set it at. Wheel backspace is whatever I set it at because we're going to cut the axle housing anyways to make it fit. So first I had to clean the garage out because every project that I do kind of just morphs into the next project. So I had to clean that out, got it cleaned out. Noah and Cameron helped me get it off the trailer. Now this week I'll pull the big block out of the Cadillac and start getting that so we can fit it actually in place. But I'm telling you, the universe wants to do wheelies. This is just coming together almost too easily. I'm sure I'm going to hit snags and, regret that comment. But for right now, the basics of it, this thing was meant to have a big block in the back. GM was like, yeah, we want wheelies. I got some 14-inch slicks from Crispy just to mock up and see. I like that stance. I know that's kind of an outdated thing, but it's a Wheelstander, which is also kind of an outdated thing. I think it looks killer. But I could go 12s, and it'll be right at the fender lip, which might be more palatable for some people, but also screw some people. But the beauty is, again, setting the axle however we want. That's without tubbing it. That's just there. And it looks mean. Just makes the van look so much more aggressive right off the bat. So that's where we're at. We have a van. We have a big block. Let's get them together.